Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chart Clarity. I wanted to do a quick update on Bitcoin because we're entering a new trading week next week, and we're nearing the end of Q4, which usually brings some volatility to the crypto sector and the crypto charts, especially Bitcoin. So I wanted to start with the bigger time frame because I wanted to kind of show you that the bigger picture really hasn't changed at all. I still believe that we're working on an ABC correction, with the current wave unfolding being the A wave, and then on the shorter time frame, you'll be able to see these waves a little bit more clear. So without spending too much time on the bigger time frame, let's dive into the daily charts where we can view these waves a little bit more clear. So as you can see here, I've labeled this move down as a possible 5-wave move down that is unfolding at the moment. And the wave that's currently unfolding being the 4th wave, which is most likely unfolding in an ABC correction. Now, as you can see, the price has dipped deep into support a couple of times, which isn't surprising for a 4th wave. Now, 4th waves are choppy, they're time-consuming, they shake people out. That's the purpose of them. So, because of the behavior that we've been seeing, unfold on the microstructure in this 4th wave, it's very clear that this is a 4th wave unfolding. So, as you can see here, I've identified this move up as wave A, and then this move down as wave B, possibly bottoming on the 18th of December. And as you can see here, the 618 retracement really was really strong support for these levels. So I do expect to see some upside movement, possibly in wave C, and then you'll be able to see why I think that on the smaller time frame. But as of now, the theory remains that we topped in wave A, and that we possibly bottomed in wave B, and that the current wave unfolding could be wave C, that could top around this area from, I guess, 94,356 to 102,764. So let's take a look at the microstructure to see what levels need to hold for this C wave to stay valid. So the reason why I think the C wave is unfolding is because on the 18th of December, we possibly had a 5-wave move up, with the ABC correction possibly unfolding at the moment, which we can label as wave 2, followed by a possible wave 3 up, and then wave 4 down, and then wave 5 up. So in order for this scenario to remain valid, the correction that is currently unfolding needs to remain in 3 waves. So as you see here, I've labeled this wave down as wave A, and then this wave up as wave B, and then the C wave should ideally hold above the 618 retracement at 86,793. Now, as long as these levels hold, and we don't see 5-wave moves down, we can look out for higher prices in the C wave. Now, the level here at 94,500 acted as pretty strong resistance. As you can see here, the price got rejected a couple of times and was unable to break out. So we'll be on the lookout for this level, and if we see a break through this level, then we can expect that the 3rd wave has moved up and that we're currently working on a C wave up. Now, of course, after the reaction that we get, after the resistance and the pullback that we get in wave 4, the reaction and the structure that unfolds in wave 4 should remain in 3 waves to keep the scenario of wave 5 of wave C alive. So over the weekend, over the next week, I do expect to see some upside movement as long as the price holds above these support levels. And then if we do break down, I do expect the price to go down around the $75,000 to $71,000 level. But of course, before it goes down there, we do have some key support levels here, being at this swing low and a Fibonacci retracement at 83,738 and at 80,644. So as long as the price remains above those levels, I do expect to see the price to go up in the C wave. That just kind of depends on the volume and the volatility that we get next week. So that's really it. Just watch out for those prices and, comment any questions that you have down below. So if this update helped you better understand the current setup, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts down below. As always, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next update.